Hi guys, welcome to Sri Srinivasa Shorthand Institute. 96 words per minute, 5 minutes duration. Start. It is idle to argue that the children should not be tampered with in the growth of their character, for the environment is bound to have an imperceptible influence on the character of the child, and it is our duty to provide the right type of surroundings for them to draw out their inner potentialities on right lines. Early in life, we can instill the qualities of courage, prudence, sympathy, and tolerance, self reverence, self knowledge, self control would come later on. In the course of education, not only positive but also negative steps have to be taken. That is, unhealthy tendencies have to be prevented and healthy ones have to be fostered. The teachers have clear duty in this respect, for they have to develop virtues and curb vices. In other words, the treatment is both preventive and curative. The guide is common sense, so called because it is so uncommon, and we have to deal with the problem of mass education in our country as the percentage of illiteracy is very high. Our aim should be to train people for social behavior, and it is a very difficult task because man is by nature selfish, but he is required to perform certain obligations to the society in which he moves. Starting from the family, these obligations widen out into concentric circles: family, community, nation, and world community. The most difficult thing to achieve is the training for world citizenship, subordinating our interest to the interest of the human race. Each for all and all for each is a very good maxim in this context. Unless the spirit of good citizenship is inculcated in each one of us, we cannot be fit to take our place in the modern democracy. For the common good, we have to sacrifice our self interests, and our motto should be service. These qualities of service and self denial are not inherent in human nature, and they have to be acquired by our education only. Only in the face of common danger have we in India learnt the importance of unity and integration. Under ordinary circumstances, we are prone to be disunited and quarreling amongst ourselves. But when democracy itself is in danger of being overrun by communism, all the forces of unity have to be harnessed to combat the peril. The institution of home guards in India to fight the Chinese is an instance in point. All the parties have joined in sinking all their personal differences in a time of national emergency. It is true that if we fight among ourselves, we will be putting the nation's unity in danger and ruin the prospects of our progress. Character training in schools is done by the institutions. From the nursery school, where the child starts living a community life up to the university where the students from all the parts of India are bound to meet and mingle in the training, discipline, and character are developed by social contacts.